We're in that temporary time of year when it's not as cold,
but not yet hot.
Here at Chapman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, our perspective shifts from weathering winter to spring cleaning.
Now, you probably don't associate spring cleaning with heating, cooling, or plumbing,
but we do.
So let Chapman help you put some spring in your clean.
While you're working hard in the yard, Chapman techs are cleaning and rejuvenating your HVAC system with a pre-season tune-up.
While you're scrubbing the grimy tub, we're scrubbing your home's indoor air with filters, UV lights, and more.
As you're washing all the storm windows, we're protecting your system from spring storms with a brand new surge protector.
And as you clean out your overstuffed gutters, our plumbers are unclogging drains and plugged up pipes.
Our crew helps you mark every last box on your spring cleaning checklist.
So, what can we do for you today?
Visit ChapmanSavings.com
or give us a call.
445-4489.